Hey, we've tested almost 100 monitors, and one of the most popular brands is LG. They've come out with great monitors in the past year, and with the new ones on the horizon, we want to compare their 2019 lineups. Hi, I'm Alex, a tester at ratings.com, where we help people find the best products for their needs. Today, we're going to get hands-on LG's greatest hits from this past year. We're going to start with a quick summary on what LG's naming conventions are, followed by an overview of their lineup and what they're best suited for. Then we can check out some of their notable examples and recommendations for your needs. Let's check it out. Over the past few years, LG has come out with 3 main series of monitors. Every year, they come out with new monitors to fit into each of their series. Their models start with the size of the monitor in inches. The first letter will explain which series it belongs to: U for ultrafine, W for ultra-wide, and G for ultra-gear. The second letter will tell you the year it was released. L is for 2019, and once the 2020 models come out, this letter will be N. After, it is followed by the actual model, and the higher the number, the more premium the monitor is. Occasionally, there's an F or a G after this, which lets you know which variable refresh rate is supported, either FreeSync or G-Sync. The last letter is not always there, but it is either W or B for the color of the actual monitor being white or black, respectively. As I mentioned above, the LG monitors are numerous and varied, but they all fall into at least one of their 3 series. We'll start by looking at the ultrafine series. These monitors are made with Windows and Mac users in mind that features Thunderbolt connectivity. They generally have higher peak brightness and great color accuracy. This is useful for creative professionals, video or photo editors, or just someone who wants to watch high-quality movies at their computer. Our recommendation for an ultrafine is the LG Ultrafine 4K 24-inch monitor. This is the Apple model, but it can get bright enough to overcome any glare and have an excellent color gamut and volume. Unfortunately, it does not support HDR. An alternative we also recommend is the 32UL950-W, which does support HDR, has a similar color gamut and volume, but does not get as bright as the Ultrafine 4K, which can be noticeable during editing. There is a lot of variety in the LG Ultrawide series. These monitors are more all-purpose in that they have good color accuracy, decent brightness, and good response times. They also support wider resolutions and aspect ratios, such as 21:9 and 32:9. This allows for a larger workspace, and with the on-screen software, you're able to section off the screen into a variety of different windows. It's extremely useful for people who work on multiple windows at the same time. If you're interested in an ultrawide, the 49WL95C-W is a great monitor for your office or workspace. It has decent peak brightness and good color accuracy and response times, leading it to be quite a versatile monitor. If 49 inches is too big for you, the 34WK95U-W is a great smaller alternative with great color accuracy and peak brightness. The UltraGear monitors are the gamer's monitors. For gaming, response time and input lag are among the most important factors in a screen. Seeing moving objects blur or having difficulty seeing movement at a distance can put you at a massive disadvantage. They also support variable refresh rate, which is a technology that reduces tearing during gaming sessions. The 27GL850-B is our recommendation for an UltraGear gaming monitor. It has low input lag and excellent response times with a 1440p 144Hz screen. It also has native FreeSync support as well as G-Sync certification, meaning the VRR will work with both AMD and NVIDIA graphics cards. There's also another variant of this model, the 27GL83A-B. It is almost identical, but our model performs slightly worse in most aspects. This could be panel variants, but we expect the 27GL850-B to be the better monitor. It is still definitely worth a look if you can find it. For gaming monitors, there is also a budget option in the 27GL650F. It is a 1080p panel, but still goes up to 144Hz, which will be great for fast-paced gaming. It does fall short of the other two, but at its price point, it does a great job with excellent response times and low input lag. Overall, the ultrafine monitors are excellent for those who are looking for the higher end of color and resolution, although they suffer from low refresh rates and response times. The versatile ultrawides are great for a variety of activities, but definitely shine when it comes to available workspace. The UltraGear gaming monitors have the lowest input lag, the highest refresh rates, and great response times to make sure your gaming experience goes smoothly. There have been 2020 models announced at CES this year, but they are not yet available to buy. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.
34 inches Ultra QHD, 3440 by 1440, Nano IPS display. IPS 1ms response time -144 Hz refresh rate. NVIDIA G-Sync compatible. DCI-P 398% color gamut with VESA display HDR 400. 3-side virtually borderless design with tilt, height adjustable stand. 27 inches 2560 by 1440 VA display with 165 Hz refresh rate, 1ms, MPRT, response time native 1500 dark curvature. Smooth gameplay with AMD FreeSync Premium Pro. Studio grade HDR ready and 92% DCI-P3, 120% sRGB, color gamut. Gigabyte classic tactical features with OST Sidekick. Gigabyte auto update. Ergonomic design with tilt and height adjustments. Low blue light and flicker free. (27-inch) WQHD, 2560 by 1440, IPS gaming monitor with 1ms, MPRT. Response time 165 Hz refresh rate, supports 144 Hz, and G-Sync compatibility for a tear-free experience. ASUS Extreme Low Motion Blur Sync, ELMB Sync, technology enables a 1ms response time, MPRT, together with adaptive sync eliminating ghosting and tearing for sharp gaming visuals with high frame rates. Marathon ready with ASUS iCare technology to minimize eye fatigue and an ergonomic stand with full height/tilt/swivel/pivot adjustments to accommodate any desk. Compatible with industry standard HDR10 high dynamic range for color and brightness levels that exceed the capabilities of ordinary monitors. Flexible connectivity options with DisplayPort 1.2 and dual HDMI, v2.0. Unmatched immersion. Get your head in the game with Odyssey's 1000R panel, which matches the curvature of the human eye for maximum immersion and minimal eye strain. WQHD resolution. Make your gaming world more lifelike than ever before. Packing in one. 7 times the pixel density of Full HD. WQHD resolution boasts incredibly detailed, pin-sharp images. Experience a fuller view with more space to take in all the action. NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync. Dropping frames means dropping chances to put your enemy in the dirt. With NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync Premium Pro support, Odyssey matches every frame from your graphics card, so you're never caught short from moment to moment. Rapid 240 Hz refresh rate. Topping leaderboards never looked or felt so smooth. With Odyssey's rapid 240 Hz refresh rate, you have up to 4 times as many frames displayed on screen every second compared to a traditional screen. Infinity Core lighting. Odyssey's Infinity Core is a striking addition to any desktop, matching world firsts in technology, with stunning visual design. Lightning-fast 1ms response times. A fraction of a second can be the difference between your destruction, or your enemies. With Odyssey's gray-to-gray 1ms response time, you can be sure that you're receiving information as fast as technologically possible. Cutting-edge CLED technology. From deepest blacks to vivid colors, Samsung CLED ensures pixel-perfect picture quality with every frame. Utilizing quantum dot technology, Samsung CLED creates more vivid colors with 125% more color space compared to sRGB, ensuring the highest class of color reproduction. Find hidden depth with HDR 600, from damp and dark corridors to sunlit alien vistas. Odyssey's HDR 600 brings incredible depth to the worlds you choose to explore, revealing the smallest hidden details so you don't miss a thing.